This is a traditional Sicilian street food that is made out of chickpeas. It is known as pane e panelle, and I traveled to Palermo's Antica Focacceria San Francesco to learn how they make it. Now this place has spread all over Italy in the last years, but here on the Piazza San Francesco is where everything started in 1834. Let's go inside.
Ciao Giulio.
Ciao.
Benvenuto.
Andiamo?
Ok.
It all starts by mixing together chickpea flour, salt, pepper and water.
Andiamo a cuocere.
Once the liquid is heated, the starches and proteins in the chickpeas transform the liquid into a thick paste. And that's when the magic happens.
Queste qua si mettono adesso qua. Quando asciugano già si possono... Fagli vedere come già lo puoi fare.
Appena asciugano un po' adesso.
Guarda, hai visto?
Molto veloce.
Sì. Se non sei veloce, questa qua poi non si può utilizzare più.
Within seconds, the thick chickpea batter firms up. What was a simple mix of chickpea flour and water just moments ago suddenly transformed into thin semi-solid discs. It's such an interesting texture, because we've seen it takes minutes and it's already coagulated into a texture that's completely set. I like it like this.
Yeah, absolutely.
But of course, we're not done yet. There's one final step and it involves a massive pan of hot oil.
Quando panella così, good.
Buona. Quando gonfia.
Quando gonfia, good.
Once they're beautifully golden, they're taken out of the oil.
Molto semplice, ma il gusto è forte.
Then they are served by simply packing them into a bread roll with a sprinkle of flaky salt.
And there we go, pane e panelle. I mean, look at that. Loads and loads of chickpea fritters in there. The entire sandwich is packed. Also, we've got half a lemon here, so loads of lemon juice on here. Let's go. The ultimate street food. I'm in front of the Antica Focacceria San Francesco right now, where it all started in 1834, tucking into one of their famous pane e panelle. It's so simple, but it's so full of flavor. Loads of chickpea fritters, white bread, sesame seeds on top, lemon juice. We've been to Molino Crisafulli, where they milled the chickpea flour from scratch. It was literally just whole chickpeas going into the machine, and within seconds you had the chickpea flour. So there's no waste with that product. It's the entire chickpea. It's still street food, but as a vegan street food snack, it is actually quite cool that you've got the protein from the chickpeas and they're packed into a sandwich. Love it.
But what would street food be without some form of potato? Here at Antica Focacceria they also make cazzilli. First, potatoes, salt, pepper and mint are mixed together. After running it through a grinder for a smooth dough, they are hand-shaped into croquettes like this.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 40.
Then they too are destined for a bath in the hot oil.
Okay, so we snatched our first cazzilli fried just a minute ago. It's so soft. And that mint flavor is still really, really strong. I thought if you fry them, the mint flavor sort of goes away, but it's really powerful. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Mint, potatoes. That's the ultimate croquette. This is the pane panelle e cazzilli. So these are the potato croquettes on top as well. So this is gonna be a good mix of flavors here. Chickpeas and potatoes, parsley and mint, and then of course all packed into a sandwich. That first hit is mint from the cazzilli. It's sort of such a fresh flavor. It doesn't actually need the lemon juice, this one.